Nasa steppe kami ah.
Push nyo na, push nyo na, push kayo.
Rio
Uy,
Brawler,
ba't kayo nandyan? Dito kayo sa
Bro,
likod.
okay lang yan, tier 7 yan, tier 7 lang, okay lang. Tara, nandito ako ah.
On the crown lang guys.
Punta kayo sa akin. Tara, push. Saan?
Dito sila. Dismounted isa.
Dismounted na sila.
Tara ka keep moving southeast. Mapapagitna tayo nito ah.
Nag-dismount na yung isa.
Nag-dismount yung north natin.
Hindi. Si Cookie man nag-dismount, nag-OC.
Kokiman, dismount.
Oh, sige, come to the chest, come to the chest. Dismount kayo sa chest. Paki-clear ng mob.
Magi, alis Titan. Tayo hinabol.
Clear yung mobs.
Dito
OC food na yung mag-OC food.
Okay. Pakitignan yung backline natin northwest ha. Wait lang ha. Ikukunin ko lang to ha. Paki-defensive lang kami please. Paki-defensean kami.
Sige lang. Battle map.
Paki-clear ng mga mobs please.
moving na sila, moving.
Dismounted. They're moving.
Spread ha. Come southeast. Don't mount. Come southeast.
Nag-engage sa battle map. Patay si Chadri.
Spread. Si Chardy namatay?
Healer ka
Oh.
boy!
Dapat ka nandyan.
Boy yan!
Ba't nandyan yan? What the fuck? Push.
Yan, yun
Wala
na,
ba
yan
alam
na.
kung anong role mo?
Focus lang
Push
muna.
southeast. Push them. Chardy, pakibilis lang. Push them. Push. On the ground, boys. Wait, on the ground, boys. In 3, 2, 1. On the ground now. Keep dropping. Nice one. Spread your defensive. Keep healing the front. Push. Keep pushing southwest. Broke them.
Nasa likod, Rio.
Likod.
Push nyo lang. Push southwest. Keep pushing. Push southwest. Defensive lang. Push southwest. Push. Keep pushing southwest. Keep pushing. Pre, on the ground, boys. 3, 2, 1. Last engage. Drop. Nice one, boys. Keep pushing southwest. Keep pushing lang, boys. Please. Keep pushing southwest.
Sa likod mo Rio Dia.
Push southwest. Sige lang, push southwest kayo.
Nahold ko.
Push southwest kayo, please. Keep pushing. Pre, bail ako, please. Nasaan yung heal ko?